Hi everyone, this is Maggie. In this video, I will show you how to create and rotate a 3D heart model step by step in Desmos. So let's get started. First, a heart function is written down to visualize the 2D heart on the plane. To simplify the modeling process, I plot 12 dots on the heart as a vertex. And by connecting them into a polygon, a base of heart on the XY plane is shown. Then the 4 dots. 2 on the positive z-axis, which are shown here, and 2 hidden at the back on the plane on the negative z-axis. Then using knowledge of rotation from the prior video, we have created a function that the rotation actions applied. Using these defined functions, we can express the x, y, and z coordinate values and build the polygon using the x, y functions. A reminder that this is a 2D graphing engine. We can only discuss the relationship between z and the other two axes instead of visualizing it and have the z value in the polygon. And here's how the space heart shape works out with rotations. Then the rotation of the second set of dots. We name it the R2s. The same procedure since all the dots on the model are rotating together with the same angles. Here's a concept graph of how the final heart shape model will be like this. And we build a triangle to have the surface connected. Following our concept graph. And we end up having a rotating heart. If you like my video, please support me for more by pressing subscribe. If you have any problems you want to discuss or any stupid mistakes I made during the video that you would like to point out, feel free to send them in chat. I hope this finds you well in understanding how rotation works. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.